Today we're going to do a review of an open-air earbuds or open-air headphone, whatever you want to call it. They have sent to me quite a long time ago, last year, and I've been busy so I haven't tested them. But the other day I needed some headphones to run. Oh, okay. I have the OpenRock Pro there. Let's use it. And I'm in love. The sound, the battery life is really good, and it suits me for exercise, either outside or indoors. They are really good. My name is Tiago. We do tech reviews. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet. With this said, let's start a review of the OpenRock Pro from OneOdio. So like I said, they have been around for a while, last year, so yeah, a while. They have Bluetooth 5.2, but more in the specs in a few minutes. Let's talk about the price. Looking at the price for the UK, the price tag is £129.99. There is a voucher going on around £20 on Amazon. Let's see the price for the US. Looking at the price for the US, the price tag is $129.99. And like in UK, there is also a voucher. This time it's only $10. Like always, I'm gonna leave links in the video description. Let's check them up for best price and proof information. Looking at the design, you can have them in white and black, the ones in review. They have the branding on a shining grey and one LED. They look good in my opinion. Each bud have a button on it so that you can answer calls, pause or skip songs and change the volume. The fit is so comfortable. They weigh around 13 grams each. And because of that, you can barely feel them on your ears. The case is a large egg-shaped. It's huge due to size of the battery, but the good is that you don't need the case when you are working out with the buds. Looking at the battery, they are perfect for long distance or endurance exercises. The buds will last you for 19 hours of use without needing to be charged, with the case giving you 46 additional hours. They also have fast charging, with 5 minutes of charge giving you 60 minutes of playback time. Great for people like me. I always forget to charge my buds. A full charge will take you around 4 hours. Let's have a quick look at the specs next. They have Bluetooth 5.2, but let's not forget that these are from last year. They have 16.2mm dynamic drivers, aptX, AAC and SBC audio codecs. They have noise cancellation, CVC 8.0 dual noise cancelling microphones. More on that later. The water resistance is IPX5. The charging port is Type-C, and the case have a 400 mAh battery. Next, please be the judge on the mic sound quality indoors and outdoors. These buds are for sports, so you're going to be using them outdoors. So let's see how they perform. Right guys, so this is the sound of the OpenRock Pro from OneOdio inside of the house. So no sounds around, so if you want to take a phone call, it's how they will sound in a quiet ambient. We're going to go outside and do the same outside because this is a sport earbuds, open-air earbuds. So you may be running outside, doing exercise, and if you need to take a phone call, this is how they will sound. Okay, so this is the sound of the open-ear earbuds from OneOdio, OpenRock Pro. This is how they will sound if you are outside. It's a little bit windy, like a breeze, nothing but. So if you are doing exercise outside and if you want to take a phone call, this is how they will sound. We're going to go back inside and carry on with the review. Let's talk about the sound. These are easily the best sound that I have heard on any kind of open earbuds. My complaint is always the same, there is no low end. And somehow the OpenRock Pro are different, maybe because of their true bass technology, whatever that is. The bass is audible at low end. Now, it isn't the same like a subwoofer type, but you actually hear the impact. It's quick and fast, with a lot of space. Mids and treble are very detailed. Vocalists come out clearly and works great with all genres. It feels that you are in a room with speakers spread out around you. My final opinion, if you are looking for comfortable earbuds for a workout, you should consider these open-air earbuds from OneOdio. The OpenRock Pro are one of the best options out there at the moment. For air conduction, the sound quality is extremely impressive. Battery life is also great, easily going to get you through the day. The case is large, but all in this segment are, due to the large buds. You have 5 minutes of fast charging, giving you 60 minutes of playback time. And they have a competitive price right now. In my opinion, these are the ones to beat in 2024. And that's it guys, this was our review on the OpenRock Pro from OneOdio OpenRock earbuds. If you found any value in this review, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. If you want to buy them, I'm gonna leave a link in the video description. Please use it, it doesn't harm you and helps the channel. Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.